Yamamajo eba Daily TV Jumedia your friend Ghana Probie ena uhwe no sa ebre Ghana Probie ye Jumedia bia ye aduada ukuada eni fiada ye de brew na ye no be charge wo neme bia eha ye manyi na esi ye nkwan se ye emma oman yi entumpono ntide bia no aduada de ye ka apomudin ho asem ena ukuada nso eye sema sebe eha ye man na entumi ma ye nkwa animu ena ye transe a ye ka ho asem ena fiada de ye ka aware mu nsem ntine asema eda makoma so a eye me ya me pese me ni nyina eche eni se Ghana ha eni wiase nyina ye se amanfo omugya omunan edoso papa edoso na nnu aye bradan ena wiase nyina edi eda ye frɛ no World Toilet Day misrew safe na udidia misrewa nkasa ti wiase nyina ayi asi hono a ye kai se igya ye nan da na sadwumadie ase na edia edaso pa eye leaving no one behind ma ye nya obi wa akiri ne ye nyina ne ye mom ne yenko eno ho asem ena ye babeka edi enti ena afie bia mu di saa dai na botaya edaso e ma mu di saa dai na ya naro no ana ya zero no to Accra Metropolitan Assembly ekwanya ombefa so a omu betumi esia no ana se yate sokura mpo kakra se amanfo enya omunan ewo montin so amanfo mfuo mu amanfo park so amanfo mfichiri amanfo gatamu se uba ablempe gata kakaka ye da he ya kiyose sisi hu nyina sebe mpani animu amudidi no misremu ada amanfo eja wonan egu gatanu nti eno ene ya frɛ pani ewo EMA ono oba na oni ya babeche ho adwen a efa saa dwumadie hu na kwan am betumi aboa betumi ama yate yane anaye nan igigegija no abonten eso dwumadie yi me na medi ho chia me medi eni Kofi Owusu Teria obetumi afram KOT na dwumagu akase nso amo asoso yemu a edi dwumadie ebrem no eni LNL Rentals say afie bebe ana say anytime bia opese wo ye wedding ana aye ana nhyiamu bi asoro kra no so mukọ program bia na mo franya ye beba ho ye de canopies ye de plates ye de bibibia ya kasa ye be ye bibibia o fa nsanka bibia ye be ya mo ye be bo ho ka nyina ne ya ye ne kama de ama Inti se uhia ya ni a Francis ya ne beba ho your number is 0246595760 0246595760 ena daily water de bia ye ka sentue de oban ma eno ani daily water inti freyes apese utu no bebre na okoton eye retail ana se wholesale no frey na yebeba wapono ho ana fie na ye ne waba bedidwa kama ba ye number no eni eno na sese ofre so na ye no di nkomo ye number no ye 0302915064 0302915064 and onga sisa abro nya wadu ani nwi bomodian se wo de onga kakra se jollof rice kra na wo ya fa onga kakra fa pitipiti na obehu cent na obehu se difference so e wo taste ni you can for onga the bia edema ena ma hansa bless school of catering enso na aso ya asene ma hansa bless nso mo number no e 0248053373 ufro wa eho yetete nkwara yetete mpanifo yetete mema yetete mma ekwan a ye faso a ye cake ekwan a ye faso a ye pastries ekwan a ye faso a utumi ye nkwan papa edima okunu ene wo ma ye kire ni nyina wo honom enti frɛ ye brasku yi busumisia pepepepe obewie na wankasa onya sanu adwuma obetumi de aba obra senyimekura kase ene de ene bebi no mo ka ho ena aso yasena ye de Ghana Probu adwumadie yi ebrewo na sabre de betwa me ho aba se me ba me yi me hoho no adi na ye ne no atwetwe nkomo enko ba bia Ghana Plan bu adwumade e na wo hwe ne sabre ye kwa aba.
Tasty jollof queen. #1 jollof chef.
When you start like this, I know it's...
Yemo akwa babio eba Ghana Plan bu adwumadi ni so enne ye hwe se ekwan a ye befa so a na AM e fa so a omode eko etia sebe ye nan a ija ne wo abonten eno na ye ba behwe ne sabre yi ewiase nyina ye se nipa 4.2 billion ena wonja wo nan e wo abonten a wonya sebe ya ne papa enkoso ewiase nyina 4.2 billion ena nkrofo ija wo nan wo abonten so ana wonya baby papa enya wo nan eno ho asem ena ye ba bedi afibia no obubu busumi no ede to so dunkro no ena ye de kai sa da no ana ye well toilet day enti afie de omudi ye no na edia na eda so ye leaving no one behind na se obaga na hanso a nipa bebre about 15% of Ghanaians no sabi yenso out of population of about 29 million no yenso ye ja enai ewa bontin eno ho asem ena ye ba betwetwe chwokunya na ben TV no manko ba bia na pani amenya no amene betwetwe sa nkomo efri Accra Metropolitan Assembly a eye AMA ahiedu keteke ho ena yenua Mike Abi oye councillor edema assembly no ena yene no ebetwetwe sa nkomo Mike akwaba bibia boko de wa mata se uchi ni nye papa bia enso ka minim so betimi aka nti bomodi anse betimi ne ye ache
o ende mebo me
humode afi bia no se wiase nyina no ye di sa dai Ghana so nra yenso ye di sa edai bi edi nti na ye yi sa special day di asi ho a afi bia no United Nations ye de kai se bibia ye friend World Toilet Day.
Okay, the very kind me chia mpeni Honorable Mohamed Ajesowa or the mayor of Accra. As also chia your coordinating director. As also chia me sub metro chairman Honorable Raymond Ntwana Tete and I PRO or AM Gilbert. And I mess me chia we share for ni na. The very kind they say World Toilet Day they shall say 2013. On say omo realizes say about 2.6 million people are the entire world no omunya access to toilet facilities. It's a very big challenge the entire world any the United Nations and so.
Okay.
Nti the omuya say almost say sa da no na yen fan correct and I say yen hwe style I bet me aye na yen ma toilet facilities for all the vulnerable people within the entire universe, let me put it that way, okay, for the want of word. Into what toilets day in the air, idea me for as a person, me GD say it's a very good thing. Even shall share Ghana and I say Accra Metropolitan crowd, we won't say ya jatum and I born with Juma because ya G power or let them say le bar into after 2017 no. Ya will say before that no, let's say 2013 Accra was rated, and I say Ghana was rated among the 7th dirtiest countries in the world. Countries are very dirty, no, not Ghana, yet so 7. And I wish African crampo, now you're number 1. It's say, baby, say, ye giant 9, and I say, ye treating liquid waste, a challenge to the whole country. And you know, that was much of the reason, no more rated, say, the 7th dirtiest country in the world. But we share 50 no up to now no AME ye cost we dey come make sure the improvements and I said bibi aya e stress CCA dey say Riti Ghana cry ube hu say the cleanest city in Africa and I say the world na kwa na your president no per say sa ambition in baso no ebetumi abaso.
Okay. Inti it is a yadia so on for so pa. Okay. Na say ka say open defecation eno ye den.
Open defecation na say sebi obi a onya facility bi obekom na ebi a wakọ open place say yepo na no ana say lagoon honom no ana say bush kakra bi a afro baby na wokoja ni na wo ho sa na ye define open defecation. Inti say wo hwe especially in Accra no wo ba ye lagoon area na say yepo na no a nkofo bebre kɔ hɔ sɛ ɔmbɛkɔ akɔgya ɔmo nan wo bi sɛ ɔmo sɛ adɛnti na ɔmo kɔ hɔ a ɔmo ka kyerɛ wo sɛ ebi a wan na ɔmo ni ska ana sɛ ɔmo fi hɔ nom no kra na egyana bia ni hɔ a ɔmo betumi akɔ hɔ ana sɛ ɔmo de ɔmo fili sɛ ɔmo bɛgya ɔmo nan kɛkɛ wɔ hɔ nti yes AM no sisi anko na ye kasampo ya prosecute about 955 landlords a ɔmo ni egyana fie ɛwɔ ɔmo fie hɔ nom no nti
if you ran no more omuni ejana wo mfie no wo do mo akokot
yes ye dey mo akokot ya success ya prosecute omu successfully chese omu akọ process no e ma ya find omu say okay eji say omunya ejana wo omu fie ho no no nti say wo hwe a ye Accra Metropolitan Assembly area no gama ya say ba na say eji say yenya one toilet for every household. In the Ushakra Ministry of Inner City and Zongo Development, or Musha Sekra say or Mubeye toilet facilities or various households. And I yesu as Gamma, and I say Greater Accra Metropolitan Area. And so CCNA about 3,000 household toilets or various households are Greater Accra Metropolitan Area. Now, and this are open defecation. If you say presidents now and doing say or per se. And I say, men can say the entire United Nations, no?
Okay, UN.
Yeah, as part of the Sustainable Development Goals, no, Goal 6, say we will be having access to toilets for all by 2030. And say, you per se achieve this kind of goal now, then we have to start say you be prosecute obi, and I say yen share say every household and every area, no, you bet to me enya ejanai wo ho.
Inti say you say open defecation na say ija ye nan e wo baby enye fie
ana enye baby a e say yenja ye nan
enye baby asese ni ye ka say decent defecation na ye den
a decent justification say ebia wenya baby a e say wunja wo nan wo e na wakoho eni na ye decent defecation
eno na ye decent
as a brofonic Accra
enti ye fa na Accra ha sei enye Ghana hanko a Accra ha pa no nipa be sen na omu ja omu na wa bontin
so what about Greater Accra Metropolitan Area now according to your statistics no ubenya be say 40% of your household omunye baby emjamo na no omuko abonten say ombejai omunai. It's a very troubling and worrying area for Greater Accra Metropolitan Area, and I say AMB being the mother of the Greater Accra. Inti say when you 40% of full populace enja omunai ewo baby aji se munja una woni a very serious case. Inti ye betu before 2017 ye betu say ye ji loan ni bi fi World Bank. Omuma loan say yen constructing toilets every household. Inti the other kind of say or met you have now so what you have in 50-50 bargain na 2,000 cedis then inti government no better take 2,000 cedis now also what you have 2,000 periodically you be constructing sir at the end but say ka say 2017 ebano ya used to say government befa 70% of that money. Now who as a private individual no what for 30% of that money say who bet you as no na say in the periodic terms no who bet you as no na ye ba be ye ejana fi ewo baby awo no na obi enso etumi enya baby a obetumi ejani nan
say afa na wo dey television no ato Daily TV and our station ato Daily TV enyimre yi mene owura ofri AMA na ye twetwe nkomo efa amanfo a oja wo nan e wo ba bia ensese oja wo nan na enura a ye benada gugo da tosu dunkru no ena wiase nyina no ye tuasi ho no mu a e kire se ye momodian se ye besi ye nai jeje na abonten na ye danso a ye de kai sabi enanja wiase ndebe e kono ye serious fa ye da ye de kai enanja tina ye ni ye nuan ejira eti ha anwumre ya ye twetwe nkomo se ekwanya Accra Metropolitan Assembly ebetumi aboa saa ade ye betumi esia no bema se ukuba bi ti se abuso kan a over 90% stores na wo ho ni nyina no toilet facility ni ede na mo ye fa
the kind of abuso kan se sia ndi aye Ablekuma Central say they need AMB. But previously, no, so now a very big challenge because in your Hong Kong, we call almost all the commercial areas now, and yeah, maybe a shopping malls and answer maybe very difficult to have access to toilet facilities. Until they are now that I say, public, let me say, public toilets are constructing in partnership with the AME, and I say a government-owned public toilets are SCC. These areas are say they are upgrading to we call them a station we say public toilets or they say they WC or ultra modern staff ube to me alcohol jaw na say ube bibi wo and that has actually been a challenge and I admit it because we should be to say about so kan unya a specific area and I say floor space and I say land be a better ube to me a constructing a toilet and I say an institutionalized WC and answer bibi wo ho a wo betumi eye saa nyama no nse wo be sure this abai no mo ya dey pan because we share Coastal Development Authority and I said the development authorities no part of omu hihede ni say omu a constructing mechanized boreholes ni toilet facilities almost all around the 275 constituencies are country mu sesi ana ekasa no
okay na government schools so
yes, institutionalized.
I'm talking about mfani say abekan 1 2 3 4 uko kwashimai schools na ona sa schools no why na any responsibility say oma nkwara toilet facility
yes we share omugina so aban share dey say on provide this idea no nti yeah from 2017 up to now no all the schools under AM no ya decline more institutional schools inti sesi and the as we are speaking now no ya constructing institutionalized schools be say 30 in about 28 government schools yeah metropolis no example let's say Independence Avenue yes you obi wo ho we call Sokwa yes we are here institutional na some institutional toilets no so boys and girls and also girls no baby on bet to me actually is say omo call omo periodic year won say baby ana omo pe baby on bet se omo into institutionalized schools no you are providing a session for ladies now on bet to me akọ change say omo period na say baby into sisi ana kasa no ya about 30 of those institutionalized schools in the various government schools are within Accra Metropolis. Yeah, inti meant remember our list about 28 of the schools. We call your website no kwa inti Bakuni Osu Salem. We call Osu Salem 5 primary school. We be wo. We call Barnabas primary school so I be wo Independence Mabodada. We also call Ayalolo cluster of schools I be bi. We also call Dr. Evin and Bruce ubenye bi Colegono RC boys ebiso wo ho e na Soko cluster of schools so ubenye bi usanso benya ebi wo Dakuman JHS ubenye bi nso wo Kwame Kuma Memorial JHS aboso kan cluster of schools Kanishi West 1 and 2 cluster of schools Mataheku RC cluster of schools Jolu JHS Kanda cluster of schools Labaoleshi Presby cluster of schools Mamobi Prison cluster of schools any Kandeshi Kingsway primary 1 and 2 nti ubetumi atu ahu na mo ubetumi also akọ ehwe say bibi ameka no ampa na say mitwanto na wo waka etiefo no say okay me kọ ho na me hu say bibi wo ho na say bibi ni ho na obi ahu say yes mehu yebo ehu ejuma.
Okay. Na no nkwala no omokoso free na mutu aka.
Oh, when they say school need dia. Also, one amazing thing is to say previously a little challenging because you see school you if say you see toilet facilities and so enka ho. If you say who free fee bia na ye nkwala no ye free woman be catch us say bomodi na call ohonom no before we be call school. But e bia wa school wa didi na who say who didi nso a na uyem no e noise being say who call lavatory and say toilet bi na unja wona kakra sebe. But unfortunately no who say before na constructed our schools no now it's either say sir toilet facilities no is in a devastating state and now say omuni bi kra inti yeba from 2017 we who say no this is a time no yen see institutional schools these various schools now omuntumi enkoho because wo classroom na wo sua ade na saa ade ne ka na wo nya bebi nko said we want to mean suade ni ye is a uncoffee and answer ko bebi akoja online nti these are some of the interventions yes AMA ya bomodin say ya ye e wo the various government schools no
question one so nkwala no mko free na say omutiaka
and because a government property and yes for obi nti we part of that school I don't see na obetu aka say obekọ ohonom no
okay bi mu wo ha ye jiska
so also ye jiska ye public ones because of maintenance no e dis yenji bibi kakra enfan sustaining and as enfan maintaining place no any different from there ye constructing of various schools no schools dey for school children
and no we job born is here new schools na mo sisi ni bia na say toilet no old schools but mo sisi toilet
old schools by sisi toilets no.
Oh okay na communities no enjoy bia
community engine na here push say every household no ebenya toilet facility
communities no omo enjoy toilet ni bia na mami hu e no
was in every house no at least statistics say ubenya be say 12 people to visit the toilet or for one toilet facility no ubenya be say 12 people are visiting sa toilet facilities no so into we share your communities are ewo eyinu ebia Greater Accra metropolitan area say ya prosecute most of the landlords are omu nibi but yeah for sense say omutu ombenya baby ye sa anemama no but yeah who say that most of the situations no were public toilets also were most of the time no sanitation and now say public health no omo time to time to ensure say some place no very convenient for toiletry facilities I can't on authority tell you say we have been able to construct toilets in the various homes no but I can tell you say
I'm talking about schools
the school the schools they are constructed
and I make my jet so I construct but me patch say I'm coming from say yes me say e bia osu alata na public school e wo ho no mo no na me need toilet o me fie
okay
can I also go there?
Oh, for that one, it is not allowed because that toilet facility no strictly for the school and I said omutum
and so mutuma obi aso ye shiri born no bekwa koye bi o wo you shiri born so whole toilet nkwa there na me meet area more I don't benefit because as a member of the community no na say bibi sha wo ho a say metumi enjoy
na e say who say ya sisi and ya bibia easy and I say simple ama obia say everybody can own a toilet in the house until we pay say okay every month me me am say 50 cedis and 100 cedis met me to ya say that me wo be say 200 and I say 300 e wo ha mun sha say na mun ye toilet ni mame within a specific period that you bet me we now also wa benefit if it is no but quite unfortunately no I think say the education no and conform too much because most of your media personnel and your media and is just about the news on
but coalition on free toilet media coalition I've forgotten the exact name but form some coalition I don't know if the AMA is aware of that coalition when you so they will disseminate your information
over let me say from 2018 to now no I should look at the alone no you to me constructed about 1203 toilets are within the community. And just say at least the education no moving up gradually. People are buying into the idea and they say yeah toilet facility but me did say in the next 2 to 3 years most of your areas you bet me toilet because under the Ministry of Inner City and Local Development time on be toilet facility no cry now your framing to make call I inspect the various areas. The biggest challenge for this one has been space. You bet me baby you bet constructing no but who person on constructing toilet in so under here we just need a very small space and yes a bigger room and I say baby just a small space a small landscape you bet me a constructing and I'm aware say the numbers are increasing by the day and it's a good thing for Ghana as a whole.
Say you can't be ever public toilet one. Basically no it's not meant for be as a community near woman but for strangers it be emergency. You know to more be saying or more I should look at
maybe if you know but very the number is huge. I can tell you the number is very huge. When you come to say public toilets just as you look at the numbers are very huge. I can tell you an authority on that. And yes, the intention for constructing that for emergency purposes. Yes. But because of we share a landscape most of the household won't share that toilet facilities until that has become a norm for most of them say on visit some public toilets yes it's a challenge but yeah hope say yeah moving on these challenges by 2030 we should be able to have we should be able to attain the United Nations goal of toilet for all in almost sustainable development goals and me did say time no draw you bet to me a trumpet noise no say yes within the metropolitan area we have been able to do well to achieve those goals.
Okay. Inti me fa no say emergency toilet no mo nipa nete ano me nipa nete ano
most of the toilets for the mark contracts to sole owners for management purposes are part of that thing or as let me say a percentage about AMA as revenue ye champion other courses.
Inti when the ma omutwe say toilet no ma when sika
okay you have various agencies but so we share the area now one of the construction area say treatment of fecal matter we share previously was a very big challenge but you see at the Omudo treatment plant yes also just on there sewage systems now they and Lavender Hill also and together we the Lavender Hill and I say the Mudo may treat about 18,000 metric tons daily into we share treatment of that fecal matter now say excess capacity I bet to me but the agencies are almost in charge of taking this fecal matter periodically they call because we share before your time now most of the problem they say they just go and dump it in the sea. Let me put it that way for want of words. And it became an environmental challenge. Say made dump people now the whole environment akoye bibi. But that time model treatment plants in the company that President Kufuor in the year 2004 if I'm not mistaken no constructing. But by 2007 now there was a little challenge. But let me say this government when it came to power you've been able to keep it running and as it stands now the model is working. Air treaty fecal matter before it gets to the 8th final AE. Into who share statistics are most of problem or challenges AM was largely not on solid 2 but also the liquid matter. Into make Lavender Hill the capacity of 2,400 cubic meters and you moved on 5,500 cubic meters capacity. Into this is an excess capacity we share your constructions now ebia from Laboni honom no we call Aquina school honom no cantonment areas and Osu all those kind of places no ohoni na say sebi omu eyini ba ye to me treating no these various treatment plans no before it gets to its final dischargement. It has reduced the pollution it comes out from this the defecation, let me put it that way, defecation. Unlike those previous days, you know, now ufa much road and I say ufa eponano ewo we honom na
sentence in hobio oh yes sure
but it's mild as compared to those days no because sisi and we've not had a situation na obi air dispose liquid waste no just like that without treatment because every day in day out no people are trooping in with these matters to be treated at Mudo and then the SSGL and then that of the Lavender Hill as well. And we can say as Accra Metropolitan Assembly say we are doing well when it comes to the treatment of liquid waste.
Maybe so question be about say obia otiano no and I also the ama bimu contract.
Yeah.
Yes. Na ye wo ha na say NDC free so a na bi mu akwa kosizi toilet no because of buy na abaso. Eya mo the ma party for
well, I wouldn't say the ma party for.
Argentina say party we free so na mo kon to kwa.
Yeah, I've read the news now. This has been some of the hazards when it comes to a change in government. Say, you are buying a bus with but most of the Edema contracts, you know, it is on contractual basis. Paper and pen that so.
Community where say,
no, no, say a contract. Now, a diamobi. In the contract, never say 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 25 years. And they are crack also. In the Andrew, they are to me different. What I say, but more community no more say ABI party and I say party B there nti omo afresu there e say enso ye konji na enso ye bi ba nyesa adem ye the mark contract would bet to me upbidding for that contract
to me about
over to me say bi so I never me boss that here say okay we say who pay bi nti
because Matisse ska umpa
well, it's a source of livelihood for people. Well, main dispute say ska woman as scam, but it's a source of livelihood and also a source of revenue. Eba AMA for developmental programs.
I just imagine. Ibia me 2-3 minutes bi na me kwa kodi o. Me ya tell me 1 CD. Who's anybody?
1 CD. Is the minimum say 1 CD.
Ibinum G 80. Na your mouth euro na your mouth 1 CD. And bisu ha 1 CD no. Na fan wo.
And see we share the conditionalities of maybe our corner ebia with the price. As a obi abofan so who say sebi who call hokra now you are feeling convenient on your purpose into your charge you a little higher. I want him say okay it is worth it.
Complaints baby I am for e kan say e ya na omundi honi na se bia sabe we import no kra no e dada they won't change it
okay
and be one so the import ni ho na e de nsuo I mean e the papa
yeah let me say the health inspectors you know Omojumane one of Omojumane say Omet visited this various
did they do it
they do it for Greater Accra Metropolitan Area, I can tell you, say they do it. Recently, Krambobi frame say Yamanu caught summons for who cobwebs in the Yama public toilet. So they are Yamanu contract no, and say someone sana eka someone no, and say or share the women no catch and say yes maybe someone who are more reasons friend say Banabe answer for these things. Inti omo health inspectors ni omo ejuma pa and they make calm down omo ejuma pa because most of these problems are enya no and I say this someone's enya no free omo department no na omo ko inspect the public toilets most of the areas. I just say, is it in the best conditions for people to appeal to the people? And I say, it's in the best conditions for people to go. Into Omuma will start summons now. It is also in a good way serving the interest of Ghana because baby ojuma and I say baby baby who did want so. And this is also convenient for the people.
Yeah.
And I believe it, but most of the people know so because of ABR, some political parties interventions now there no so Dani Asem Kakra, but from 2018 to now, maybe Omo prosecuted for most of these things. There was no party intervention, there was no political interference. It was just the court and then the people are Omo violating our rules.
I think a couple of months ago, now many ubi Kwakotia. I know say that place is not under your jurisdiction. New Achimota station, na nipa no emergency bia na osoko. Want me anisu. Na inspectors wo pa na ba bisa. Ntina bebre be prefer say bibi ono be ko bush na bibisa no asin say obekwa kwatena so.
Per research so that has been one of omu reasons omu open defecation.
Exactly.
We always urge your health inspectors they say omukwa the truth of the matter and I say baby no kwene da no omu fancy ho na yenhwe how best I able to me manage and I say able to me ekebi such situations no on the ground because we call baby sir complaints ni very loud.
Yeah.
Say baby omu ohonye and I say adeni very old na more conditions ni yet suitable for it.
Yes. So na say Ghana hakra ya ban cigarette from public places.
Exactly.
But public toilets so you no cigarette ho. Na we bi ho pan latrine no. Pan latrine. There you know bucket now bi ho. Na no mo yen ya cake pop so ya mama for that use. Na mo yes
okay, I want a greater metropolitan area.
Ebi wa ha because me kai say ko vanda po abreso o mchichi nipa bebre enemre
dey minjindi
ebi bo ho
minjindi
enche bia of ko free so be say be about 3 years
ago this year the AMA enye 11 constituencies anymore on say reduced by 6 and this year the 3 constituency Ablekuma South Ododudu na Okankwe South yes Okankwe South into your limitations no to these 3 constituencies into I can only speak on behalf of these 3 constituencies baby amako and baby dia mehu say mehu sa dia nyama on these 3 constituencies America.
Okay, open defecation I didn't pan deba a day and effect of open defecation
open defecation no one of the major causes of open defecation
I'm not talking about the causes so a day a high say be a health aspect in America.
Oh okay. Open defecation here I can tell you say cause a manupa because me read the article be okay me say person me quote
yeah because I know say about Ghana spent about $79 million
exactly
on sanitation including
the South African number say me quote no inti so we say this about $79 million are here wasted on this stuff. You bet me a channel into various areas of developments within the districts. I bet me the entire Ghana. But you're spending some money on just open defecation and I say sanitation here. Then as a country you have a very big problem. Now aside that one and so on, a breeding health hazard, say cholera. Say that is also one of the biggest risk I ever open defecation also. Yeah. Because these flies are ever around, that is where most of the time. So this is where they feed on. So say Sanyamano open defecation cause was say flies no echo sa baby and buy aduane so almost spread these bacteria cause say your diarrhea and I say cholera and I say dem. Now we share your statistics no so the second leading cause of death in children this cholera no. Inti say to me stop is open defecation which is one of the major causes of your cholera no. It's always a challenge globally. Inti your health wise no there open defecation has always been a cause of your cholera no. Inti cholera in terms of your money na ade no and one of the causes nso and effects nso ye nhwe air pollution now we can air pollution because it's directly not causing harm and I say disease to somebody because of that yenya and I say to me quantify the effects of air pollution air causes or air buffeting ye open defecation also
Sabre se oda so ehwe daily TV Ghana Prabu ejumedie no na yetesui na ene de ye bubo ho ana yedi ho abobo se enra ewiase nyina a Ghana ka ho de kai se sebe ejanan na ye ejanan da na enyimre yi yenue ete ha no mo a ye dwendwen ho se ekwan a AMA ana shedu keteke ebetumi afa so a amude besi se ye beja ye nan ewo abonten so se ne ebetumi eja ye nan ewo epo ho nsuo ho gatamu amanfo fie ya chechire bibi misremu amudidi no misremu ada ya chechire bibi ni ato no ase ye to bomb enu ena ye dwendwen ho se ekwan ye befa so a menimini abi edi hu komo ekwan ye befa so a AMA ebetumi esia no nti sabre de wo fie a na betumi afra ye 0500 101010 0500 101010 ena ye twetwe enkomoi nti ye hu se yare a ene ka de ba na die pa ne ma amanfo difficulty our abundance die pa entra
wo hwe ye statistics so are the number one cause no say access to toilet facilities. That has been number one cause. And into now, that brought about the 2013 World Toilet Day, no? Because we share then in Kofododo amunya access to toilets, na very alarming. Now, second reason also.
Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, yeah, good evening.
Good evening, Master. But your friend say na in Afrifi.
But I am going to Kasafi Kolegono.
Yo, Kolegono, Mpato Kasawai.
And Peter Mingus say, this is our open defecation. You better get TV. You better get stop.
Yo, okay. You know, you are obiya no amount. Or say a bed then yetimi asia no. A bed then you stop no.
Yes, the cure to this normally, as citizens and I say human beings, you know, the number one cure is to first and foremost ensure and I say enforce your bylaws, you know, the bylaws on open defecation. Isn't that my say?
Yeah, had it be doing the amount for friends here now. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Mpacho, we didn't be afraid of you.
Jamestown.
Yo, me Mpacho Kasa.
Mpacho, I do a napa. The next person I am a dear. No man, I'm a dear friend.
AMA officer and one. Okay. Okay, yo, Mate. What did you kind? I had you pan to say Bianca bit me my number be as a be facing such problem no bit me afraid asiso. Them say now Ugu asem so now can say major a year man
it's enforce your bylaws no because so who say you punish or be on a particular offense no a very good demotivation factor the rest.
No, I'm talking about say a day parenting a man for a open defecation.
And I make number one was access to toilet facility. Number two no the means of payment and I say the sika omudbeko akotua various places no. And a third one also very challenging but in fact would you crowd obimu ka say pese omu sebi omu ko ho a pese omu feel free and I say omunya fresh air.
Yeah, so no any na make an say toilet say so you need scent ni wa so can you ban beko
obeko na relax
you know relax oh no we dey call ma uwuram na scent no na e
that's no problem
no say major but even aside that no research bi omo ye no wa metropolitan assembly actually say yes ma amafo beba betua akode nanso no edu anwumra even though no yanjisika people don't go because they think say sebe amafo jomo na wi anwumre no e abaifo ba betan tell us nti omo anwumre ndi oye free kro mo nko mbakwa bonten
we superstitious beliefs and in our cultural settings, you can't do
Mama, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Yes. Hello. Hello. Now voice no e wa chiri Mr. Wa say ofre wi a na o television ni volume no ama no aba from kakra ye sa cultural you know
cultural settings no on these kind of disbeliefs I say since emiti bi achemu
research yes
the technological age into these things are fading out and I'm very happy about it. Obi fresh or person or yemfa na ma bin to join we permit ya na mama number no
ye be wi a mama refi ye be wi a na no abo number ana pese uboni sisi a
oh so
mama hwe sisi an me pa yesi mo ye modern toilet enche dan cost bia mo ne efiefie no chechiremu ye mami obi otifie oni toilet e de enwo na mo betumi dia mana obetumi aye toilet ni bi oni fie
okay the first thing we na say wo de ben ye
Ombra
you dey by office no no obetumi akọ Greater Accra Metropolitan Area Gamma office or first light honum sorry can issue run about BBI constructed for Odimbra Pampum. Yes.
Baby, are you for no
STC?
Kufo bases
no. Yeah, office be wo ho. Nti obetumi akọ aka che o say wo person won ye toilet ni because you see and who to just 30% of the cost. Now 30% no so it is an installment. And you say obetua bibia boom sa.
Mama review. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Daddy.
Yeah, me pacho, we didn't be out free.
Hey, me nearby, me who not you.
Hello. Nyakwa baba ho, nyakwa baba. Nyakwa baba.
Some you say area for obumo modern say. So, obu chief approach the park can see the park toilet ni ho.
La park toilet ni ho.
Any toilet.
Okay.
The part we back to my station is here. Me say, "Omunda research na mo ye. No toilet here home. Obi the toilet be per ku obi 8 years na wa konya public toilet we.
Oh.
And then sie mu so your toilet no bi the toilet ni akono kra. Say ya this time no mo for mo sorry na gina to say the be ya. The toilet we omu sini ye sani pani ni omu sini ni pani ni ka. Ebi otie we no mu sini na fun say ye pete. Yansi ni se mau. Ni pa se ndra ni pani se de be o mu be fu ade ni we. Insina wa mo modina o ya na public toilet ni e wo be bia station ni bi no. Yeah, pa mo chow. Say ye daily TV de bia mo Ghana for say de be ya Ghana ye be ko ye ni nti ye tra mo go tun wa ma ni maye. Say de be ya ye business e na ye say tia doru ye too much. E fina doru ye si Ghana on sorry gina to say de be ya Ghana be ye clean say de no na do kan ye nti pa mo chow. Omo modern na mo o present research be ya o man be ye fin privacy any ye neatness it's me da matupa
oh we say do ase da bia wo frɛ ye program nyina wo frɛ do ase pa mo be na mo betim de aboa
yes nti that is it nti who dey ben here that's the first step e just want to hu anamona oba be hu here say who person won construct toilet no e dey we be call fee honom no baby a who person won here toilet honom no na ya sha say with the contract say okay
yem frɛ last caller na bonya time actually. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yes sir. We didn't be am frɛ you.
Good evening.
Good evening sir. Udi ni baby afefi.
Oh, that but Bishop no. Hello.
Yeah, meet you mother.
Yeah, that but me have say I Abraham say on baby man.
Hello. Yeah, trust you.
Nti ye who area ana baby a opese won construct one no. Yeah, land events omo here in charge of ombeba be inspect place no. Ye pass you ana ya start say within less than a month and 2. Now ya we with toilet no. And the terms of payment so you are striking deal no. So bet you this amount every month so you meet the 30% commitment now. Anyway we nti enye a rocket science deal say we bet to me anya toilet wo fie. The opese the here say we ye mpe say we dey anya baby a we bet to ana we pese we construct wo na bra ame ye bebo na wanya wo toilet.
Who rough estimate of some koko yemana udim rough estimator some person boy toilet ni be obi fia
650 cedis
650 cedis ba ku bi so ye 400 we say
400
eno den amode ye
400 cedis okay because of per se
cement one na
650 no and the concrete ones no
concrete one
yes the concrete ones
yes 600
and the other ones no so and so a very low cost the treated one that's more of a mobile one
okay okay
more of a mobile one I will bet to me use you
no if you there no omo betwe ana say some country na you tell omo betwe ana
most of the time, you know, the treatments are
yes,
a dream. Expanded more than even 10 years.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So many people need to because if you are not 40, 10 years.
You just have to just be using the medicine.
Okay.
In the thing.
But they are not taking into consideration number of people are.
Yes. I may say in every household, no, you have an average of 12 people, or you see just one toilet.
Just one.
Yes.
You see a drone.
Yes.
And the last for that period.
Lasted that period. The toilets would last for that period. But a drone, yes, I'll bet to me at all. Yes. The drone, they'll bet to me at all. And say any big deal crowd.
Yeah. And na mama ba konso e kan say La Paz area mo se toilet e bi ni ho I don't know assembly I know you are under which assembly
no this La Paz e be wo
home office na wo abeka no
debi home office e wo kankwe you can't quit north and so bibi nti o mu ni under AMM anymore nti
emra no pa AMM emra no sabi so bi jane nan e wo ba bia nse so jane nan a se mpoanu o se gatamu o se wiremu o e ya na etisen
most of the time no there what we do is we take you to the court for the court to listen to your defense nowadays nti when him say the lowest I bet me am require a fine okay your ma fine so you share how we history and the
no more for bianco jail
oh jail they say zia do be ko jail zia we start in your course or there okay or journey now be there
be say in your course you move for bianco jail now if you want to see toilet so anyway
oh and okay if you is most of the time you know you inform jail mum but you try on sometimes you will find your mum and now we mama to ma sad down you say omunya no constructed toilets within a specific period so mum with this deadline there then there are other alternatives for them jail is also part of them because you see and there say every household should have a toilet and say who meet this criteria and I say deadline there then obviously incarceration part of the punishment you bet to me the amount
okay we see 600 no nipa no bet me time you know modern na saying say bia we bet ya scan
oh it can even be up to a year
oh sir
yes every month no we bet me to ya bibi
am famu saying
oh your father says 70% of the whole cost
oh that
is the issue mutina video so de bia nti bude mo bon de wuro encho mo say okay maybe SCC and there SCC 650 cedis you bet me spend it because 6 months and say 1 year depending on how we bet me negotiating with the authorities no nti a very minute say ubenya toilet facility or fie the here say ubenya a small space I bet me a construct say ade na ma
Yo, you better you
me number.
Yeah,
Yes,
number.
let me offer lines no 0302 665951 0302 665951.
I feel no be a pen into sciences.
Okay, 0302 665951 0302 665951.
When the numbers are say ufie na opese emeboa na usi sebe yane kakra ewo ufie a ofresa number ya ukọ honom a omo no betena se ene ebekọ fie ho akọhwe efie honom se ne ebe ya mutimi asi a enkonko ha won a waka ho na omudu ya nso sebe omu ya entihia cent nim nti ubetumi aye bibibia ewo fie honom nti we dey yentiki advantage ewo sa opportunity ya AMA ede emai na misremu ada efie wurafo momomode musi efie na munya egbabi kakra ye de be toilet edwaye de ene amfa na obi wo kra otumi de ntoma miensan kra de sense ho no mudware ho eya ne hadwen efie wura ujiska wo na nso nipa na ote ho no ono nso ni yedie enso ehia ene nyimre minimia Mike Odanke Abi oye councillor ewo AMA ana ahyedu keteke Metropolitan Assembly ena meneno bedi nkomo efa ekwan a assembly no efa so a epese ekutia say amanfo ebeja won nan ewo abonten efise afie bia November da toso dunkru bia no ewiase nyina edisi ho eda ye de kai eda ye dija ye nan na omodwindwin kwan a ye befa so a eye open defecation anase ijai na wa bonten so ibise efise eboka te se de mene no eka aye no bibisa ne rubber ne ade ade a ye digugu abonten nyina no ese afibia Ghana sika ye spend on $79 million na aban hwe sika kakraka we efise wono akotena baabi na wo so upe free air nti ujai na ho na masa ne me nyina ba yesremu yenyae na meka se djumeku akese asoso masema me de sa djumede edbre mo no daily water na LNL rentals unique roofing na onga eka hon cowbell fine yogo fresh low na my hands are blessed school of catering say djumeku yi na so masema me de djumede edbre mo me di hu chia me so me dian kofi owusu tawia kofi owusu tawia na obetumi afre me KOT dasene ye besan aba betena ha de Ghana ho asem foforo aba ma ye nyina ya dwendwen wa wo frɛ ye no me do ase se on so frɛ abre bia no frɛ ne nyina ye nkyerɛ ya dwen ifise mpa info se wa mama nkama asem ya makrakra mu nyina bye bye.